Welcome to Gem 3097. We are going to remove one more box, and by remove, I mean open. We're going to open one last box for tonight. We're going to randomize this one time. Whoever is on top at the end will be the box we open. One time, here we go. Should leave us with 20 after this one. Here we go. 16, which are 21 in the list, minus 1, that's 20. List randomizer, I'm going to drop it right there. But also to save my own booty, I'm going to get rid of this randomizer. I'm going to save this exact list just on a little document sheet here. Just going to get rid of all those, backspace, and Control V. And that is 20 left, Tabby. And so what box am I opening? 16. 16. So I reckon that might be literally this one. 7? Nope. Oh, God, what? 13, which means this one has got to be 16. 14, which means this one has got to be 16. 16. Jeez, Tabby, looking a little bare here. 16, here it is. We are going to randomize this list 5 times. Team on top at the end will go to the person spot 1. Team on the bottom will go to the person in spot at number 30. Here we go. Our list is all full, all good. Let's do this. 5 times. 5 times. 5 times. 1. 2. 3. Turns us in. Side out. 4. And 5. Numbered Heat on top. Hornets on bottom. That's 5 times. Don't want Hornets on your bottom, Tabby. They'll sting ya. Simpsons. Yeah. Yeah. Do. What are we doing for Tabby's 16th next year? Arcade, bowling, and some red cordials. He's gonna. Alrighty, here we go. This is the first time I've ever taken out. I have no idea why. Literally, sometimes you just have a little lapse. First up, Premium Ink 22 of 25, Shai Gilgeous-Alexander for the Thunder. Thunder SGA. OKC. OKC for SGA, spot 13. Zwayao. Congratulations, Zway. Would you rather, Tabby, see your team go early? Like, you know, you have the Clippers early and you pick up a card? Or up next for the Pacers, Paul George, 18 and 25, local legends from Grand Reserve. Wait, what? I opened a lot of that product, Tabby, and I do not remember. That's it, no. Jeez, for the Pacers, local legends of PG. 24.
To answer your question, I think having a card early is okay because remember that first couple boxes where there was 2 Spurs cards?
Yeah, that's true. Spot 6, Ben Muller.
It's different this time around. Yeah, nice set that one. It's got a Curry in it, which is cool.
That's cool. Jeez, that's someone who hasn't popped up yet.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Like auto-wise?
Yeah, I don't think so. Flawless to 10 for the Lakers of Dwight Howard. That's spot 8. Chris Bauer. Nice. I actually love Fairy Bird. It's a texture mainly. Big texture man, you know me. Hello, Shark Boy. Oh my God. Flawless rookie patch auto, Jackson Hayes to 25. Who's got them, Tabby? Who's got the old Pelicans? Spot 27, Brad Martin. Congratulations. Legacies, Sapphire, 10 of 10 for the 76ers, Julius Irving. Spot 17, Andrew McClough. Congratulations. Wow, Brad, that is incredible. Congratulations, Andrew. I use hundreds and thousands. Finally, we have... Oh, speak of the devil to 20 for the Golden State Warriors, Steph Curry.
Did you see that?
Yeah. Spot 12, Thamarong Wong Sirisup. Congratulations. That is beautiful. Steph Curry auto to just 20.